Looking for a sleek, budget-friendly tablet that doesn't skimp on performance? The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Wi-Fi 64GB is here to impress. With its 8.7-inch vibrant display, smooth 60Hz refresh rate, and dual speakers, this tablet is perfect for binge-watching, multitasking, or staying productive on the go. Packed with 4GB RAM and expandable storage, up to 1TB, the Tab A9 keeps up with your apps, photos, and videos without lag. Split screen mode? Check. Long-lasting 5,100 mAh battery? Check. Plus, its slim, lightweight design makes it ideal for travel or cozy couch sessions. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or juggling tasks, this Android 13-powered tablet delivers big screen fun in a compact size, all at an unbeatable price. Ready to upgrade your tech game? Let's dive into why the Galaxy Tab A9 deserves a spot in your hands. Unboxing and first impressions, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 comes in a compact box containing the tablet itself, USB-C to USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, despite being Wi-Fi only, 15W USB-C wall charger, included in this bundle, quick start guide. At first glance, the tablet feels lightweight, approx 331 grams, and slim, making it easy to hold with one hand. The graphite gray color gives it a sleek, professional look. Design and build quality, the Galaxy Tab A9 features a plastic back with a metal frame, ensuring durability without adding extra weight. The 8.7-inch form factor makes it highly portable, ideal for reading, media consumption, and light productivity. Key design features: thin bezels, 81.7% screen-to-body ratio, USB-C port for charging and data transfer, dual speakers for immersive sound. No fingerprint sensor, relies on face unlock or PIN. While it doesn't feel as premium as the Galaxy Tab S series, the build is solid for its price range. Display: brightness, colors, and viewing experience. The Tab A9 sports an 8.7-inch TFT LCD with 1340 by 800 resolution, approximately 179 ppi, 60Hz refresh rate, 16:9 aspect ratio, good for videos. Display performance: bright enough for indoor use, but struggles in direct sunlight. Decent color accuracy, not AMOLED, but good for LCD. Smooth scrolling, thanks to optimized software. While it's not the sharpest display, it's perfectly fine for YouTube, Netflix, and casual browsing. Performance: speed, multitasking, and gaming. Powered by a MediaTek chipset. Exact model varies by region. And 4GB RAM. The Tab A9 handles everyday tasks well. Benchmark scores: Geekbench and Antutu. Single core, approximately 350. Multi-core, ~1200. GPU performance: entry level, good for casual games. Real-world usage multitasking handles 2 to 3 apps and split screen smoothly. Gaming runs PUBG Mobile, low settings, Asphalt 9, and COD Mobile decently. No major lag in daily use. Social media, browsing, streaming. If you need heavy gaming or video editing, consider a higher-end tablet. Software and user experience: Android 13 plus One UI. The Tab A9 runs Android 13 with Samsung's One UI, offering split-screen multitasking, Samsung Kids Mode, parental controls, quick share, easy file transfers between Galaxy devices. Long-term software support, at least 2 major updates expected. The interface is clean, intuitive, and optimized for tablets. Camera quality, photos and videos. The 8 megapixels rear and 5 megapixels front cameras are basic but usable for video calls, Zoom, Google Meet, document scanning, casual photos, good lighting required. Don't expect flagship-level photography, but it gets the job done. Audio and speaker performance. The dual 1.0W speakers provide clear mids and highs, good for podcasts, YouTube. Lacks bass, not ideal for music lovers. Loud enough for personal use. For better sound, use Bluetooth headphones or external speakers. Battery life and charging speed. The 5,100 mAh battery delivers 8 to 10 hours of mixed usage, video playback, browsing. 15W charging takes approximately 2.5 hours for a full charge. Battery life is solid for a budget tablet. Connectivity and ports. Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, no Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C, no 3.5mm headphone jack. No cellular option in this Wi-Fi only model. Storage and expandability. 64 GB internal storage, approximately 50 GB usable. Micro SD slot. Supports up to 1 TB. Great for storing movies, ebooks, and documents. Productivity features. Split screen multitasking. Samsung Note support. Optional keyboard case, sold separately. Good for light work, but not a laptop replacement. Gaming performance, casual games, Angry Birds, Among Us, run flawlessly. Mid-range games, Genshin Impact, COD Mobile. At low settings, not for high-end gaming. Pros and cons. Pros, affordable price, compact and lightweight, expandable storage, decent battery life. Clean Android 13 experience. Cons, average display, low PPI, weak speakers, no fingerprint sensor, mediocre cameras. Final verdict. Who should buy it? The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 is perfect for students, note-taking, ebooks, casual users, streaming, browsing, budget-conscious buyers. If you need better performance or a premium display, consider the iPad 9th Gen or Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 delivers excellent value for its price. While it won't replace high-end tablets, it's a reliable, portable, and affordable option for everyday use. Would you buy it? Let us know in the comments.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.